Hi everyone, to another episode of Dimitra's Dishes. Today we're going to be making a quick, easy, and delicious white bean and feta salad. This salad is made with basic ingredients that pack so much flavor. You're going to love this. It tastes great topped with tuna fish, chicken salad, even boiled eggs. Let's get started. I just rinsed 2 cans of cannellini beans. You can use your favorite white beans for this. Great northern beans are good, cannellini beans, any white beans that you have will work for this. Go ahead and rinse them if you've opened them from the can. If you made them fresh, it's fine. And just get them in a bowl. These are 2 15-ounce cans. You can put as much or as little of each ingredient as you want in here. So I have that. I also went ahead and I roughly chopped some sun-dried tomatoes that are packed in olive oil. Again, you could do a 1/4 cup up to a 1/2 cup. They have so much flavor. Go ahead and add them in. And then I finally chopped 5 scallions, even the white parts. Those are going to go in too. They add such a nice, delicate, oniony flavor. The herbs, I have a handful of fresh parsley that I finally chopped and some fresh dill. Nothing beats fresh dill. If you don't have fresh dill, you can definitely substitute some dry dill for it. It just doesn't have the same aroma. If you don't want to use dill, you can leave it out and add a teaspoon of dried oregano. Fresh rosemary is nice with white beans too, so just use your favorite herbs in this. I'm also going to add some crushed red pepper flakes. If you don't like the red pepper, do black pepper. 1 cup of grape tomatoes that I just halved. And then we're going to make the dressing. So I have 2 garlic cloves that are grated. To that, I'm going to add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. I always do more. I'm going to do about 3 or 4 because I love it lemony. You can leave the lemon juice out and use red wine vinegar instead. And then I'm going to add at least 1/4 cup of olive oil, but you can always add more. Whisk that all up. If you want to add a teaspoon of mustard in here to emulsify it, and it will also deepen the flavor, you can do that. Okay, before I add the dressing, I'm going to season everything in the salad with a pinch of salt. I'm going to add the dressing. It's looking kind of dry, so I'm going to add some more olive oil. Use the best quality olive oil that you can find. We have some available for sale throughout the United States in our shop. So it's on the website. Go ahead and check that out. It comes from my island of Crete. Okay, and now once everything is mixed in, now it's time to add the feta. Fresh blocked feta is the best feta that you can find, especially if it's sheep's milk. Don't buy the already crumbled variety. It takes a few seconds to just crumble it yourself. And sheep's milk feta is really creamy. So just add as much as you want in the salad. Gently mix it up. It smells so good. Give it a taste. Tastes delicious. The secret with this salad is once you mix it all up, let it sit. Let it sit for at least an hour or even overnight in your refrigerator so all of the flavors can really get into the beans and flavor them even more. Once it's already marinated in the refrigerator and just sat in there, you can go ahead and transfer it to a serving platter and it is ready to serve. And that's it. Just like that, the salad is ready. It's so lemony and flavorful. The sun-dried tomatoes make a huge difference, so make sure not to leave them out. You could even drizzle some of that oil on top just to add more flavor to the salad. You guys are going to love this one. If you want to learn how to make some crusty French bread to go with this, like a French baguette, click over here and I will see you right over there. Head on over to the website to print this recipe out, dimitrasdishes.com. Thank you guys so much for spending time with me today. I'll see you all next time. Yes, us.